So tell us what goes into your sausage.
Yeah, really simple sausage. Yeah, we've got some Dijon mustard, a little bit of maple syrup, some cornmeal, salt and pepper, and a little bit of ground shallots. You just make it into small patties and then pan fry it. So I've cooked them here now and just chopped them into chunks for this.
Okay, so that's one part, but then we've got all these other things that are going on. Olive oil.
Olive oil first, some red onion, some nice color here. And then I have some baby potatoes here, and these are cooked, or you can even use leftover potatoes. We need our sausage in there.
Of course.
So then we're going to get our spinach in here, and we just want to give it a little bit of a wilt. But I'll just show you what we're going to do here is we're just going to crack the eggs on top, and you know, however many people you have, put as many eggs in as you like. I'll put the lid on now, and it'll speed up a lot faster. We're going to finish it off with some Emmental at the end. This probably needs another 3 or 4 minutes, and then we can be
and ready to go.